Zach is 7 weeks old. Are you going to talk to Mommy? Oh, you are? Really? Zach's got the hiccups this morning. Yes, he does. But he's talking to his mommy. You are? You're talking to your mommy, aren't you? You're talking to your mommy, huh? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're talking to your mommy. What are you saying to her, huh? What are you saying to your mommy? Huh? What you saying to your mommy? What you saying to your mommy, boy? You gonna talk to her some more? Well, talk to me, baby. Talk to me. Let's look at all your little features. The poor baby's got the hiccups. Look at his little hands. And do you see his little feetsies? We see your little feetsies? Look at that. Look at how tiny your little feetsies are. Look how tiny your little feetsies are. Look how tiny. Look how tiny your little feetsies are. Let me have your hand. Look at how tiny his little hands are. Oh, look how tiny. Oh, and look at his little chunk. His little chunk. Yes, that's all for Mommy. That's all for Mommy. Isn't it, Zach? Isn't it all for Mommy? Yes, it is. That's all from your Mommy. You gonna talk some more? Huh? You gonna talk some more? Huh? You gonna talk to your Mommy some more, huh? You gonna talk to your Mommy some more? Or are you done? You done talking to your Mommy? You done talking to your Mommy? You're just chilling. Chilling. You got the hiccups. Huh? You got the hiccups. My baby's got the hiccups. My poor baby's got the hiccups. Alright, Zach. Say bye-bye for now. Say bye-bye for now. Say mwah. Mwah. See you later, alligator. See you later, alligator. You gonna smile for the camera before we go? Say smile. Smile. There's a little smile. There we go. Look at that. That was a great smile. That was a great smile. Good job, Zach. Good job. Say bye-bye. See you later. Peace out.